as a certified owner, owning already for 3 years. So it has the 126,000 miles. And what needs to be done on this truck, I can share with you. I'm gonna show you. I bought this truck when it was 98,000. So I changed my oil by myself. What I done so far, I already replaced the high pressure fuel pump and washed engine one time. Oh, needs to be done the spark plug. I changed the oil filters regularly. Changed the coolant tank. It was leaking. It was leaking over here at the connection. It needs to be replaced. PCV pipeline already was replaced with the previous owners, and I don't get the factory warranty to do that, so I just made this test fix. And this pump supposed to be replaced too, the higher pressure second pump. Part 2 coming.